What's up, guys? Dave with Fixing for Fun. Thanks for joining me today as we're going to be working on my 2003 F-250. She's been a good old truck, but she just needs some love. We're going to throw some shocks in it, an ABS sensor, and if we have enough time, we're going to throw a manifold in it. So come along and let's have some fun. Probably a good view of my head right now. Well, that's not how I want to start mine. If it doesn't come off, it's not a good start. We just not have a lot of confidence in something's going to go smooth. Okay guys, so here's what's going on. There's the ABS sensor that needs to be replaced. It's got an Allen bolt in it, and I hope it comes out, but I don't have a lot of confidence in it. But all we gotta do is get that bolt out and then follow it down behind the inner wheel well, and there's a connector there, so it should be easy as long as I can get that bolt out. It should be easy. Famous last words. Then we're gonna get that shock and that manifold, so I hope it goes smooth. Well, I'm going to go buy a lottery ticket. I would have lost that bet. I would have lost that bet wholeheartedly. Wow. Okay, that's more my speed. The sensor broke off down the side there. There we go. I was going to say this is going to be way too easy. There, I feel better now. It was going too smooth. So here's here's a new sensor, so you can see how much is still stuck down in there. So we're going to go get a drill bit and well, if you're ever wondering what's inside an ABS sensor, there it is, nothing to it. Well, that's good. It completely compresses and doesn't even kick back. No wonder the truck was bouncing all over Hell's Half Acre. Okay, so I did get the shock in. It wasn't a very good camera angle. I was on the wear at the time. So there's the manifold we're replacing, and I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to see. We've got shock mounts, and by the time I get my hands in there, there isn't going to be a good way to really record that. Basically, we're going to take all those nuts out, disconnect those two studs, and then put a new one in. But I don't think it's going to be... You guys are going to get any of that footage. It's just not going to happen. So we're going to do some YouTube magic. And look, just like that, the manifolds in, we got new. It's all hooked up back there. That was a project, but let's see how good I did. Let's see if it leaks. Okay, we'll see how this goes. I'm going to try and do this without pulling the tire off. Will I be successful? We'll find out. One down, one to go. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll hit these two grease fittings with some grease and we'll be good to go. Well, guys, we got another good project in the books. That's a good one done. I was dreading that manifold, but anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, make sure you give the big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.